Welcome to part 50 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the product images module, and this is the second part of product images module, and this is the last video of the admin panel. First phase of the admin panel will complete in this video. Okay, so from 51st video we will start working on the front end of the website. I will show you the front end once again. So see, this is the front end of the website that we are going to start working on. Okay, so I will show you its home page. It is the template, okay, that I will provide you free of cost, that you can download and can start working on making it dynamic. Okay, multi-vendor e-commerce template. Okay, so this is the template that I'm going to provide you in next video. Okay, so this one I can close. And see, we were adding the images in last video. If you remember that we tried to add the images in last video, we have created this form as well as this page for adding the multiple images, multiple product images, and also we're going to show here. So in this video we are going to add the multiple images and we'll show these multiple images here along with the enable, disable and delete functionality. Okay, so let's first add the images. And in the last video I've shown you that these images are coming, but we don't want here array only, we want the image array. This is not regarded as the image, because I have just found that I have done the wrong. This is must be enc type is not valid here. Okay, it must be multi-part form data. Okay, so we need to correct this one. It must be multi-part form data, multi-part then form data. Okay, now we are going to try. I will go back and we'll try with it images. We cancel, refresh it, and now I'm going to choose once again, open, submit, and now it's coming fine. You can see now the images data is coming fine. This is the images data that we want. Okay, so now we will further, now we can further update. Okay, so I can remove this die now it must come here. Now I'm going to try here, continue, and see the data is coming here fine. So once again we are going to resize the images like we have done earlier on in the admin controller. If you remember that we have uploaded, and not only in admin controller, in the product controller itself we have done for the main image. Okay, so same code is benefit for us. Okay, so we have already added the main image, resize the image and then added. So what I can do, I can just simply open the new page. This code is really helpful for us. We have already spent so much time writing this code, so it's a good idea. We can take the help from this code. Okay, so I will just go back to here. So here we are going to write our code after checking here. Okay, after getting the images, we are going to add the for each loop first. Okay, because there are the multiple images that are coming in for each loop, and we are having images as the for each loop. See, this images in for each loop, there are 3 images that are coming. Okay, and also we are going to make it $image. Okay, so now we are going to start here $product image as new product image that we can start, and also image temp. But before everything we are going to get the original extension, so we can copy the code now. Okay, so this one is really beneficial, get image extension and all this kind of code we can simply copy here. Okay, so first one is the get image extension. We will also get the image name as well. Okay, so what we can do here, get image name for making some change here, get image name, we can get the image name here as well. Dollar image temp. Okay, see, as far as the naming conventions are concerned, you can simply make it like as well. Okay, but I am choosing this variable as it sounds good for me, and I am more comfortable with these kind of variables. But you can also select your own variables. You can follow the naming convention. Okay, and here I'm going to add image. Okay, we are going to okay, so we are going to we are going to get the image from image, and from the get client original name. I'm not 100% sure that whether I'm writing the right code, and here also we require the extension like this. So check once that if it is fine, you can also check it like this, and we can just simply disable this one, and we can do continue. Yeah, it seems to be fine. Okay, so image temp is fine, extension is also coming. Okay, now extension is also coming. We can use this image temp like this one to make it look more fine. Okay, image name is now here. Okay, so now we are having large image path, okay, medium image path, and small image path. We are going to resize and going to put the images in those folders. Okay, and finally we are going to upload the large, medium, and small images to their respective folders. Okay, so after that we are going to insert the image in the table as well. Okay, so here we are going to add insert in the Flux table. Okay, so here we are going to take dollar product. We can take it like this. We can also take it dollar image, not product. Dollar image this time. Dollar image new product image. Okay, new products image. Okay, so this is the model name. So after this one we are going to add like image, new product image, and after that we are going to have that image here, dollar image here, and with the image like this, and after that product id. Product id we are already having. This one is the product id that we are going to save along with the image. Okay, image product id. So we are going to keep the status as active while adding the images. User or customer can see that admin or sub-admin or vendor can make the image inactive anytime. After that we can simply save the image. Okay, so after saving the image we just simply will return back to the page with the success message. Okay, so here we can simply close this one so that we can put here the return message in the same way like we have done here. Product images has been added successfully, in fact. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, and now these images we are going to show here. Okay, we will check we able to show the images here or not. Okay, so we are going to add the images. I'm going to do Control Shift R here, or Shift Command R in Mac. Okay, so images source not readable. Okay, we are going to check whether what's the issue here exactly. Image temp is we're going to check once. Make sure the path and everything is correct. Here I have done some mistake here. Here it must come like image name, and for here I need to add here get temp image name. Okay, temp image name, or generate temp image that we are required to generate. Okay, so here $image underscore temp, and it will be equal to image make. This code I was writing in the beginning, then I think that I will write here, but I forgot to write this code here before this one. So image make $image. I think it will resolve the issue. So we are going to check the issue now. Control Shift R, and now the issue has not come, I think, but we are going to add the images now. 1 2 3. Okay, open 3, submit, and this time some other issue, products image not added, it is saying. So we have not added the model right now, products image. Now we are going to check once again, and we are going to add the images once again. Open, submit. Now this time you can see it's fine. We able to add the images, the three alternate images, and we are going to check the folder now, that uh, it is coming inside the folder or not. Small, medium, and large images, front images, product images, and small. Okay, so there are so many images here sorted by date creator. So this is the image that we have just added. These three images I think we have just added. So we can also do here sort by use groups. Okay, so group by date modified. Okay, so see, these images are there. I think these images we have just added. Okay, so in all the folders like small, medium, and large, in all the three folders we able to add the images. Okay, so now we are going to work on its enable, disable, and delete functionality. Okay, so see, we are going to check here. See, this is the active inactive script here. We need to change to that update image status. Okay, so here make sure that we have no attribute left here. Fine, it is. So this update image status, we are going to add unwanted file. We can remove that, not required now. So we are going to update that custom.js file. I think this is the file where we are adding, yeah, update product status, update attribute status. Now update image status. Update attribute, update image status, here attribute. Okay, so now it's done. Now we can go there and check. and refresh this one. Also we are required to create its route. Okay, don't forget that we are required to create the route for both delete as well as updating, and so we can simply copy and can make changes. It will save our time. And here for this one we need to select this attribute, sorry, image, image. Okay, so now we are required to create this function in Flux controller, update image status function. Okay, like we have created earlier, update product status, it is similar to that, or update attribute status. Okay, whatever. Okay, we can just simply copy this one and we can put here at the last, and we just require this one, update image status. Here products image instead of attribute, and here we are having the product that sorry image ID. Fine. So now we can try. Let's refresh. So I'm going to make its status as inactive. All three are inactive. Let's see. Images of all three are inactive. 0, it means inactive. Disabled. Okay, now I'm going to enable, like first two I have enabled, first two are active. Now let's check that first two must be 1, and it is 1 here. Okay, so in this way we can able to enable or disable the image status, so that we want to show at the front end or not. Like if these two images we don't want to show at the front end, only one alternate image, one multiple image we want to show for the product. Okay, then we are going to tick this one. Otherwise if we want to show all three, then we can check all three to show at the product detail page. So we will also here add the delete feature. Okay, like we have done in the products blade file. So we can simply copy here confirm delete code, and we'll paste there in add images. Here after this one we can paste here, and we can also add, and here instead of product we will make it image. Now it's fine. Okay, so after adding its link, we can check at front end, it will appear here. Okay, so now we need to create see its route we have already created. Now we are going to create its function as well. Okay, delete function for deleting the multiple images. Once again we can take help from one more function is there, that is the delete product image. Okay, but here is the single image. Now yeah, we are going to delete the single image itself. Okay, so we can modify this function here. We can make it delete image. Here we're going to make it delete image. Okay, so first thing is we are going to get the product image, and product image this time we are going to get from the products image model. Okay, and we are going to select image instead of product image, where id first, that is fine. Get product image pass, so these are also fine. Delete product small image if exists is small folder, so it's also fine. Just this image name must be replaced with the image, and here delete product image from product underscore images folder, images table, and for that we will use here the products image model, not the products image, where id here we are going to use here delete, because we are going to delete it, we are not going to update it. Okay, so product image has been deleted successfully, that is fine. Okay, so now we can try with the delete. Okay, like if I want to delete this one, yes, the suite alert is coming, because it's the common function. We have added the common function for all the modules. Okay, So if you will click on cancel, then it will not cancel it, then it will not delete any image. But if we are going to yes delete it, going to click on yes delete it, then it's going to delete this image. You can see the third image has been deleted, and it is saying product image has been deleted successfully. Okay, so we able to delete one of the image here, and also active inactive status is working fine here. Okay, you can see so our Flux image part is over now. We can add the multiple images here of the product, and we can make them active or inactive. We can also delete them. We can also search here. Okay, we can also search the images here, but I don't think that it is required, because here nothing to search. We don't have anything to search. Yeah, we can search from this one, from ID we can able to search. Okay, so finally Flux images part is over now, and we will start working on the front end from the next video. And here is the design that I'm going to share you in the next video. Okay, so if you want to get the code up to part 50, then do join as a premium member. Okay, it's very simple to join as a premium member. You just required to open the channel youtube.com stack developer channel, and after opening the channel you can find the join link. Okay, simply join the channel from there. Okay, after opening this website, so here you are required to click on join link, this join link, and after clicking on join link, you can make the small payment. Okay, just 1 month payment is enough. You will get the 50 videos code along with the future code as well. Okay, so see, and also see, you will get the credentials from where you will get download the other website code as well, that we have done earlier in Laravel 8, Laravel 7, Laravel 6, complete e-commerce website, advanced e-commerce website, basic e-commerce website, dating website. You will get lot of code. Okay, so you will get the credentials here, so that you can log in and can able to download all the website code. 4-5 websites are there. You will get the complete code, complete support, along with the API series or and much more. Okay, so I hope you will do that. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any query, surely ask me. From next video, get prepared for the front end. We will start working on the front end from next videos. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.